Summer whole vibe, night in my life. You already know it's for sure.
Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Maya, aka the Messy Mama. So today I've decided to... That's my child down there. You know, if you've been in this channel already, like if the child is awake, she's awake. So as I'm saying, today we're gonna do a house tour. Though I've lived in this house for more than 2 years, we are going to, I think, almost 3 years now. We moved here when Amani was 2. Yes. that was it, guys. That was my house tour. I hope you liked it. I hope you like it. My humble abode. And during the night, I'll show you the lights, the corner lights. I can't remember that name, how they are pronounced. So I'll just, when it's nighttime, I'll just record the video and show you how cute and cool these lights look. So that was it, guys. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and share, like, comment. What did you like most about my house? Which area, or what would you tell me to improve? She's awake, so thank you, mommy. Say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye. See, it goes all around the house. So we got this gypsum installed sometime after like 2 years. I just wanted that home feeling, and that's my famous wall. I love how that one looks. So that's how my house looks. My baby's play area, my beautiful seats. The beautiful lights. And my beautiful TV space. So I also put some toys over there because I want it to be easy for both Nemo and Amani to just get a hold of her toys. Yeah, and some decors. Most of them are from House of Leather or something.
Yes, I'm a whole vibe, night in my life.
No. Oh, that was it, guys.